Tell everything you've learned from Tito Doc this quarter.
Okay. So, the Tito Doc book this quarter is this. Wah! Nakagat ako ng aso, or wah! The dog's bitten me. So, it is a story about a girl who had a dog named Bruna, and her dog Bruna bit her. And in the story, throughout the story, it tells us what to do in case we get bitten by a dog. So first, we should always tell our parents. Even though you think that maybe the dog will be taken away, your parents will take it away, you need to tell your parents, since rabies is a very deadly potent virus. Next, always have a rabies vaccination, or at least consult doctor, and they'll tell you what to do. So usually, if not near the head, they will usually wait for the dog to go mad until they give the vaccination.
Why? Why do they have to wait?
Because, so, for example, what if there weren't any virus? So, and the dog is just alright, and you are alright.
So if the dog is alright, you will not get a vaccination?
Yeah, only a tetanus shot.
Um,
But if near the head, they usually will give you a rabies vaccination right away, and will give you extra if the dog gets mad. It is harder with puppies, since puppies do not go mad. They only get restless, which is hard to tell apart from their usual playfulness. So, usually you have to wait for 10 days, and if the puppy dies, you need to get a vaccination. Some require the head of the dead dog to be chopped and brought to diagnostic centers. And so, that's all.
so what should you do the moment you have been bitten by a dog? What's the first thing you should do?
First, tell your parents, and then if you are a child. But if you aren't, you should actually squeeze wherever you've been bitten, probably in the feet, bottom,
And
squeeze it, wash it thoroughly with water, and then consult a doctor.